Apply 2 coats of primer S, which is slightly sandy. It should be diluted correctly. Leave it to dry for 4 to 5 hours between each coat. Apply 1 coat of Stucco Marmor with a stainless steel float and cover the entire surface evenly. You should leave some trowel marks on the applied surface. They will stand out in the final stage. Apply a second coat of Stucco Marmor using the same method. When applying the third coat, be careful and do small patches at a time, applying and immediately taking it off again, as you can see here in the video. When the whole surface is covered, wait a few minutes and go back over the entire surface with a clean stainless steel float in order to get the desired shine.